I'm going to show you today how we debone our 3 kg Spanish mackerel. Then we are going to make it into fishball out of this mackerel and tanghun soup for today's menu. Before that, I would like to share with you 4 tips. Number 1, the trick to get a bouncy fishball, it's the mixing of the paste. Use your hand to knead it, or you can use a mix hook like this. The more you mix, the bouncier the fishball gonna be. Trick number 2, to avoid the fish paste to stick on your hand, you need to dip your hand in the salt water before you do the fishball. Third tip, boil your fishball in a warm water at a 32 Celsius, not hot water, and wait until it afloat. Then you scoop it up. Fourth trick is using the fish stock like this. It's easier and it's more tastier if you don't like a fishy smell of the broth. So, are we ready? Let's start cooking.